Daily Nasta 1 PARMAR sir. Video 1. We got to drum performance Kathakali. Second question. Nandini and Ragini Shankar. Nandini and Ragini Shankar are famous in violin. Third question. Small earthquakes in underground caves caused by seismic activity. It is called collapse earthquake. First general elections in Delhi held on 1993. This is an important question. Molecular weight of fatty acid is determined by saponification value. Molecular weight of fatty acid is determined by saponification value. Which compound is used to remove the skins of vegetable and as preservative? Sodium hydroxide. Amor Simho was astronomer in the court of Chandragupta II. Meat is a good source of vitamin B12. Social Service League was founded in Bombay by Narayan Malhar Joshi. Social Service League was founded in Bombay by Narayan Malhar Joshi. Dash is used. Burn bricks first told by Ernest Mackay in 1948. Harappans. Moonwalk, autobiography of Michael Jackson. How I Became a Hindu is an autobiography of Sitaram Goel. How I Became a Hindu is autobiography of Sitaram Goel. Lokhitwadi is the title of Gopal Hari Deshmukh. Lokhitwadi is the title of Gopal Hari Deshmukh. Pottery fish appeared in Neolithic age. Dash does not belong to class Insecta. Scorpions doesn't belong to class Insecta. Ragamala is the autobiography of Ravi Shankar. Ragamala is the autobiography of Ravi Shankar. Dash is an enzyme released from cutting the onion. Allinesis. It is the cause for the tearing issue when we cut onions. Dash found Darpan Academy of Performing Arts. Minalini Sarabhai founded Darpan Academy of Performing Arts. Yami School of Dance founded in 1990 in Delhi. Vasanta Ritu is belonging in March-April. Dash formula was first used in 1997 first Jan. Duckworth-Lewis formula was first used in 1997. Plant grown in the shade are known as sociophytes. Plant growths in the shade are known as sociophytes. Daily Nasta 2 PARMAR sir. Population size of a species is called Lincoln index measure. Pyranometer is used to measure solar radiations. Measure solar radiations. Viranathiam dance, Andhra Pradesh. Dash was annexed to the Mughal emperor by Akbar in year 1586. Kashmir was annexed to the Mughal emperor by Akbar in year 1586. Essential amino acid for health, skin, teeth. 309. Essential amino acid for healthy skin and teeth. Religious communities notified as minorities in India. First ever Republic Day parade performed in Irving Amphitheatre. Where the first ever Republic Day parade performed. Babur was initially buried at Agra. Courage and Commitment, an autobiography of Margaret Alva. Assam. Dancers resemble butterflies and birds. Bagurumba dance in Assam, where dancers resemble butterfly and birds. Magnetic field line emergency from North Pole. Amarkantak plate and Bilaspur Kaini plate are famous for bauxite. Amarkantak plate and Bilaspur Kaini plate are famous for bauxite. Who called Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose a patriot of patriots? Mahatma Gandhi called Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose a patriot of patriots. Abhinav Bharat Society was founded by V.D. Savarkar in 1904. Abhinav Bharat Society was founded by V.D. Savarkar. Which viceroy introduced financial decentralization? Lord Mayo. Which Rashtrakuta king adopted the title of Jagattunga? Govinda III, a Rashtrakuta king, adopted the title of Jagattunga. Salim Ali National Park, situated in Srinagar. ore transport was nationalized in 1953. Which peptide hormone secreted from alpha cells an isolate of Langerhans? Glycogen. Language policy implemented in 1968. Dash forces are always attractive in nature. London forces are always attractive in nature. Monthly started by Vishnu Shastri Chiplunkar. Monthly started by Vishnu Shastri Chiplunkar is Nibandhamala. Bahiskriti Hitkarni Sabha was established at Bombay. Which king of Pala dynasty defeated Indrayudh and made Chakrayudh as the ruler of Kannauj? Dharampal. Zong in Buddhist architecture measures fourth race monastery. Mineral found in Kodarma and Giridhi of Jharkhand, mica. Champaran Mela is celebrated every year in Raipur.